Hello, and welcome to This Week in Entrepreneurship and Innovation. This week, we're starting with two strong University of Wyoming examples of entrepreneurship in action: student ventures competing for startup capital, and students using business skills to create real community impact. First, the results are in from the John P. Ellbogen 50k Entrepreneurship Competition, one of UW's signature student venture platforms. This year's first place winner was Motomotion, led by Alex Hlad and Catherine Plummer. Drink Please, led by Palmer Lynn, Colton Williams, Morgan Voss, and Kaylee Esgar, took second place. Easy Up, led by Evan Hansen, took third place and also earned both the Daniels Fund Ethical Startup Award and the first Interstate Bank Audience Choice Award. Additional awards went to Interactive Story Company for the Benson Innovation and Impact Award, and Guide Outdoor Equipment for both the Small to Medium Enterprise Award and the McHale Community Award. For students and founders, this is more than a pitch event. It is a launch pad for testing ideas, earning capital, getting mentorship, and building companies with Wyoming roots. UW also saw major impact through SparkTank 2026, the student-led philanthropic initiative hosted by the UW Ethics Club and Selling for Impact students. This year, SparkTank awarded more than $186,000 to 4 Albany County nonprofits. Safe Project was the top recipient with $50,000 and also received the People's Choice Award. Telehope received $46,000, Albany County Sheriff's Search and Rescue received $44,000, and the Love Trades Foundation received $40,000. Since 2018, SparkTank has now awarded nearly $930,000 to local nonprofits, while giving students hands-on experience in due diligence, ethical decision-making, fundraising, and community investment. Looking ahead, UW's commercialization ecosystem also has momentum. The 3D Visualization Center in the School of Energy Resources received a STAR Project Award to expand drone-based hyperspectral imaging capabilities. That project is part of UW's National Science Foundation, supported Accelerating Research Translation Initiative, and is aimed at applied research with commercial and industry partnership potential in energy, mining, emissions monitoring, and environmental applications. Statewide, entrepreneurs have several practical opportunities coming up. On May 12th, the Wyoming SBDC Network will host Start Your Own Business, Douglas at Eastern Wyoming College's Douglas campus, focused on customer strategies, financing options, and startup fundamentals. Then, on May 15th, the Wyoming SBDC Network will offer a free webinar, Cybersecurity is Not Just a Technology Issue, aimed at helping small businesses, entrepreneurs, and startups protect devices, data, and workspaces. The takeaway this week is clear. Wyoming innovation is showing up in student startups, community investment, applied research, and practical founder support. Thanks for watching This Week in Entrepreneurship and Innovation. I'll see you next week.